Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. My name is Ados Michael. Today is just a quick short video that I want to do about how you can install Astra theme on your WordPress dashboard, and you can actually choose whatever template you want to use for your project. It's a very simple one. Well, you're looking at my dashboard right now. I always want to keep things clean each time I want to use my site. I want to make sure that everything is clean. So first of all, if you don't know how to clean up your WordPress dashboard, well, excuse me, I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. First of all, I want to go to screen option up here, so I can uncheck every of these very particular stuffs up here. They're all clean. Now you see my dashboard is clean. The next thing you want to do is to go straight down to setting. Under setting, you go to permalink. In case you're watching my video and I am a little bit fast, well, please, there is also a platform you can actually do, say on YouTube. Let me show you how that works. On YouTube, if you want to watch a video on YouTube and you are actually noticing that the particular person that is talking is actually fast, and you want to slow the person down, it's very, very possible. Okay, so let's talk about let me just go to this video. Now, this video,
sell online and grow your business with Wix e-commerce.
Just hold on.
Create a beautiful.
All right. Now, here's the video.
Welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael.
Now, you've heard the voice, so you can actually go to your setting and playback speed. Look at this plus, they say playback speed. You can click on it. Then you can make it, the normal is here. If you think you want to slow it down, you can go to this. Let's try this and see. So let's play it again.
On today's episode, I will be talking to you about how you can actually use a platform.
So you can even slow it more. You can actually also go back and even bring it down to this. See?
Build your website from scratch.
I'm sure you don't want to do that, okay? But that's it. So if I'm fast, please, you can slow me down from that platform, okay? So let's go straight. I go to setting. Under setting, I go to permalink. Under setting, I go to where? Permalink. Click on permalink. What I'm trying to do right now is to clean up my WordPress dashboard. So I go to post name. I scroll down and I click save. What I did was very simple. I go to setting. Under setting, I go to permalink, and when you go to permalink, you find that this might be in any of these places, but you make sure you bring it down to where? Post name. Then scroll down and click what? Save. The first. The second one is to go to your plugin. Click on plugin. You see all the plugins you have. So I will have so many plugins, but I'm going to be clicking on just these guys. Then I will now do what? I will now deactivate them first. Then once I finish deactivating them by clicking apply, then I will now go back again to the bulk and click delete, and I'll click all. Then this time around I will only leave only the backup migration. Then I'll close down and click what? Delete, and all of them will disappear. Now I have comments. I go to comments, trash. I go to posts. I do what? Trash. Then I go to page. Do what? Box. Then you do what? Trash. Then we go to widget, second to the last. You see all that you have there on the widget. You can also do what? Take them off. So all you need to do is to delete everyone here. Okay, you can delete everyone here. All of them. It's important you do so. All right. Everything that is here needs to go. Okay. Okay, so all need to go. All need to go. So we have all out, so you update. Now that is done. And lastly, you go to your theme. You have this theme. So what you want to do is to install Astra theme. So you go to up, add new. Then instead of clicking upload, look at Astra here. So if you don't even see Astra here, you can type here for Astra, and it will be here. So you click install. Then once you install, then you do what? Activate. Because if you don't activate, it will not actually take shape of a site. It's always good for you to actually have one team at a time. Don't keep two teams. So I'm going to be doing what? I'll delete this young man. Say, hey, 2020, move. Now, once you do this, many of you might see, some of you might see something up here, like let's say, for example, if I go to my dashboard, you might see something as a pop-up. But if you don't, just scroll down to your appearance. Under appearance, you see Astra option. So you click Astra option. Now, once you do so, make sure you come down to this part here that says install importer plugin. Install importer plugin. Click on it, then it will show you the 4 different page builder that Astra use. So you can choose from which of the page builder that you want. But the most popular one here among those 4 is Elementor. So click on Elementor and relax. You see that it will now show you all the templates that is here. Now, once you see all the templates here, choose down on this all here. Come down to the one that says what? Free. All. Free. All. Free. Then every of the free platforms will now be available for you to use. So anyone that you think you want to use, you can use that. So let's go to our front end and see what we have. First of all, our front end right now is clean and is ready. So there's nothing waiting. So we just go up, down, and say, okay, let's choose. So let's go for this guy, organic. Let's say you want to do, e-commerce. So you just do that. Then you click import all complete sites. So import complete sites. So skip. Here it's going to ask you a few questions. Just put beginner, just put my site. You can put intermediate, you can put expert, anyone you put, no problem. But when it comes to this part, don't put my client, make sure you put my site or my company. Then you click next. Then all these sites that say put your first name, put your email, don't do that. Just click on what? Skip. And everything will start taking effect. And once it's finished, it will tell you that your site is ready. And once it's ready, all you need to do is to actually go to your site, refresh your site, and voila, everything will go on. Or you can actually see a button here after it finishes. You see what it will tell you, that it should view your site. You can equally do what? Click on that so you can see your site. It's very simple. It's very easy. You don't have any complications. Once you buy your domain name, your host plan, and we at AmadosHosting.com are giving free SSL certificates. Once you do that, you go to your cPanel, install WordPress from your Softaculous app installer. You'll find yourself at your dashboard where you clean up your WordPress dashboard and install Astra theme. It's a free theme but has full package that you need as if it's a pro. Once you're done installing the Astra theme, you install the plugin, you choose the particular page builder that you want to use. The next thing, you find yourself at the template. You choose all, go for the free ones. Then you can select from all the free ones that are available there for you to use. Then once you do that, you import the demo data complete site. Then it will start loading and importing everything for you. And once it's done doing all that, then your site will be ready. This is as very simple as ABCD. All right. So now this is set. So you can do what? You can go to the site and do what? Refresh, and voila, your site is up. Look at it. You have your amazing site looking lovely, and you can actually start customizing your site. So you go ahead and enjoy. Or you can go back and do what? View site, and it will still bring you straight here. So you can go ahead and start customizing your site. So you want to know how to do so? I have a video on the description below that will show you how to customize your website when you install your Astra theme and you choose the template that you want and you want to run. How to do that? It's simple. All right. Until I come your way again next time, I still remain your one and only Ados Michael, aka the Online Ambassador. Bye for now.